So we want to give a huge shout out to Golden Rule, and from the bottom of our hearts, we appreciate the donation. We are the Blue Star Mothers of Iowa, and what we do is we support our military. We are a group of military moms, stepmoms, grandmothers, and we are, number one, we support each other because the military mom journey is a tough road, and so we want to make sure that all moms have the support that they need to get through these times. After that, we make sure that we support our military, whether it's active duty, whether it is veterans, but we make sure that all of our military is supported in many different ways. But it started off as just a small group. 500 to 600 care packages was a big year for us. This year was absolutely amazing. We found out earlier in the year that we had about 2,800 soldiers leaving from the Iowa National Guard. Our goal as moms is to make sure that every Iowan that's serving receives a box around the holidays, one of our care packages. So this year, when we learned that there was that many headed out of Iowa, we knew that we had to support in big ways. So we ended up working the whole year, fundraising, collecting items, and making sure that we sent out 33,015 care packages last year. Supporters like Golden Rule have come and played a huge part with us because not only are the finances help us be able to put items in those care packages so that they can make it to our troops, personal hygiene items to cookies to snacks, whatever they might need. It can be something so small, but to be able to give back to our military is very important. We want to give a huge shout out to Golden Rule, and from the bottom of our hearts, we appreciate the donation because, supporters like you are not only sometimes hard to find, but also just near and dear to our hearts because we know that you guys also support our sons and daughters that are currently serving in the military. So thank you, Golden Rule.